Welcome back. Let's do question 1, 2, 3. Sketched below are the graphs of f of x and g of x. The equation of the horizontal asymptote of f is y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. Graph G cuts the x-axis at B. B is the x-intercept of g of x. Graph F and G intersect at A and B. So A and B are the points of intersection of the two graphs. And B also is the x-intercept of f of x. So we're asked to find the coordinates of A, the point of intersection. At the point of intersection, the two graphs are equal. F and G should be equal. So it means f of x is equal to g of x. But in equation 1, 2, 2, we managed to find the equation of f of x. We found that f of x is equal to 2 over x plus 1. We have the equation of g of x. So it means 2 over x plus 1 is equal to g of x is x plus 2. So we can multiply everything here, every term in this equation by the LCD, which is x. So we multiply times x, times x, times x, times x, right? And then x divided by x here is 1. So we remain with 2 plus x is equal to x squared plus 2x, right? We can write this in standard form. Let's just subtract x from both sides of the equation and subtract 2 from both sides of the equation. Becomes 0 is equal to x squared, then 2x minus x, that is positive x, and then minus 2. When you transpose 2 to the right hand side, negative 2. Right. We can look for the factors of negative 2 that can give us positive 1. That should be positive 2 and negative 1. Positive 2 and negative 1. Let's just factorize there. So x plus 2, first bracket, one of the brackets, x plus 2, and x minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to negative 2 or x is equal to positive 1. So now, this confirms that our answer is correct, because remember, we found that the coordinates of B are negative 2, 0. So it means the x coordinate of A is 1, but we need to find the y coordinate of A. We need to find the y coordinate of A. So you can substitute x into g of x or even into f of x. We'll get the same thing. So if x is 1, so it means using g of x, y is equal to 1 plus 2, and that y is equal to 3. Right? Even if you used f of x, you're going to say y is equal to 2 over 1 plus 1. 2 over 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So we're still going to get the same answer. So these are the coordinates of A. Therefore, the coordinates of A are 1, 3.